Good morning, everybody. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. So, children, as in the last class, we have learned about two merchants and about Birbal. As children, Ramchand, who had lent money to Jwala Prasad. As so, children, Ramchand did not have any proof of the transaction because Jwala Prasad was a fellow merchant and a friend. So, Ramchand trusted him to return the money. But children, Jwala Prasad read Ramchand's written statement and said it was all a lie. Yes, children, and he said that Ramchand did it to get some money by unfair means as his business was not doing well. Yes, children, so we have learned this. So then Birbal asked both the merchants to sell the ghee he had sent them. Then we have learned that children, Birbal put a gold coin in each jar that he sent to the merchant. Yes, that he sent to the merchants. Here you children see. Yes, so what he did, children? So Birbal asked both the merchants to sell the ghee he had sent them, and Birbal put a gold coin in each jar that he sent to the merchants without telling them about it. Yes, why, children? Why he did this? Because Birbal wanted to see what they would do with the coins. Yes, who want to see, children? Yes, Birbal wanted to see what here they refers to Jwala Prasad and Ramchand. So Birbal wanted to see what they would do with the coins. So children, in the last class we have learned that Ramchand returned the gold coin to Birbal. Yes, in the last class we have learned that Ramchand returned the gold coin to Birbal while Jwala Prasad gave the gold coin to his son. Here look at in this picture, children. Yes, here children we can see here that Ramchand returned the gold coin to Birbal while Jwala Prasad gave the gold coin to his son. Here you can see. Yes, children. So we have learned this. Then Jwala Prasad told Birbal that the jar of ghee only contained ghee, nothing else. So when Birbal asked about that coin or something, so Jwala Prasad replied, he told Birbal that the jar of ghee only contained ghee and nothing else. So on this, Birbal sent for Jwala Prasad's son. Yes, the boy admitted that his father had given him the gold coin from the jar of ghee. Yes, children, so we have learned this. Yes, so in last class we have learned that the boy, yes, Jwala Prasad's son, admitted that his father had given him the gold coin from the jar of ghee. So Jwala Prasad returned less money to Birbal because he was dishonest. If he was honest, then he will give more money. But Jwala Prasad was a dishonest man. So children, Jwala Prasad returned less money to Birbal because he was dishonest. He kept some money for himself. He was very greedy. Who? Jwala Prasad. He was very selfish. Yes, he was dishonest. Who, children? Jwala Prasad. Yes. So here in red dress is Jwala Prasad. Okay. So children, now let's continue the story. Okay, children. So children, see here. Okay. So what nonsense here, children, see. So Birbal asked, okay, were not there 2 hours in the jar of ghee? He asked the question to Jwala Prasad son. Who asked? Yes, Birbal asked to Jwala Prasad's sons. So Jwala Prasad's sons replied, no, your honor, we found just one. So what nonsense? What would a gold mohar be doing in a jar of ghee? Who asked? Yes, see here. Jwala Prasad, yes, said to his son, yes, क्या बात, क्या nonsense है ये, क्या nonsense है, what nonsense? What would a gold mohar be doing in a jar of ghee? Yes, एक जो जार ऑफ घी में वो एक जो घी का जो जार है वहाँ पे एक गोल्ड कॉइन क्या कर रहा है? एस व्हाट नॉनसेंस, व्हाट वुड अ गोल्ड मोहर बी डूइंग इन अ जार ऑफ घी? एस सो चिल्ड्रन सी हियर, बट डोंट यू रिमेंबर we found the mohr in the jar when we heated the ghee. You took the mohr out and gave it to me for safekeeping. Yes, children. So As we all know, children, that Jwala Prasad's son was honest. Yes, so he said, and he admitted, as children, Jwala Prasad's son was honest. So he admitted that he found the mohar in the jar when they heated the ghee, and he took the mohar out and gave it to him for safekeeping. So, yes, I remember I gave you mohar, but it did not come out of any jar. One of my customer gave it to me. Who said this, children? That Jwala Prasad said this. Yes, but this is not that mohar which came from the jar of ghee. It did not came out of any jar. One of my customer gave it to me, he said. Who? Jwala Prasad. So Birbal said, your son is telling the truth, Jwala Prasad. I put the gold mohar in the jar myself to see what you would do with it. Yes, so children, so Birbal said that Birbal put a gold coin in each jar that he sent to the merchants without telling them about it. Yes, he wanted to see what they would do with the coins. So children, so now see here. Yes, children. So children, here we have learned this. Yes. So children, give the gold mohar to his lordship at once. How can we keep what doesn't belong to us? So children, Birbal said, then when do you purpose to return to the 1500 rupees you borrowed from your friend Ramchand? Yes, he asked to Jwala Prasad. Okay, अगर ऐसी बात है, अगर हम किसी और की चीज़ें अपने पास नहीं रख सकते, तो फिर तुम कब दूसरों की चीज़ लौटाओगे ज्वाला प्रसाद? ऐसे वो पूछता है. कौन? बिरबल. किसको पूछता है बच्चों? ज्वाला प्रसाद को. ओके, ही आस्क्ड, व्हेन डू यू पर्पस to return the 1500 rupees you borrowed from your friend Ramchand? So Birbal asked the question because he wanted to check if the boy was honest. Yes. So Birbal said that. So children, Birbal said, then when do you purpose to return the 1500 rupees you borrowed from your friend Ramchand? So here Jwala Prasad says, have not you returned the money yet? The boy, Jwala Prasad's son, said, asked to his father, to Jwala Prasad, have not you returned the money yet? अभी तक अपने पैसे नहीं लौटाए. So Jwala Prasad became very angry and he said, be quiet, to his son. So children, see here, don't. Yes. So children, now come to here, page number 49. So children, don't rebuke. Rebuke means what, children? Rebuke means speak angrily. Yes. So जब ज्वाला प्रसाद अपने बच्चे से गुस्से में बात करता है, तो तब बिरबल क्या बोलता है? डोंट रिबुक. रिबुक मीन्स एस स्पीकिंग एंग्रीली. एस रिबुक मीन्स व्हाट? रिबुक मीन्स स्पीकिंग एंग्रीली. एस. सो चिल्ड्रन, वो बोलता है डोंट रिबुक योर सन, ही इज एन ऑनेस्ट लैड and he will make a better merchant than you. Now follow his example and tell me the truth. So क्या बोलता है? तुम्हारा बेटा तुम्हारे से अच्छा मर्चेंट बनेगा वो, क्योंकि वो ऑनेस्ट है, क्योंकि वो सच्चा है. यस. नाउ अपने बेटे की तरह मुझे तुम सच बताओ. सो नाउ देयर इज़ नो वे आउट, आई एम कन्फेस, प्लीज़ फॉरगिव मी, योर ऑनर, आई लाइक टू यू. सो ही सेड, प्लीज़ फॉरगिव मी, योर ऑनर, आई लाइक टू यू. तो अपनी गलती मान लेता है ज्वाला प्रसाद और माफ़ी मांगता है. So children, here Birbal said, you must give Ramchand double the amount that you had borrowed from him. So what he said, children? Yes, Birbal asked him to return double amount that you had borrowed from him. जो तुमने क्या किया है, रामचंद के जो पैसे लिए हैं, अभी तुम्हें क्या करना है? उसका डबल अमाउंट देना है. मतलब अभी 1500 रुपीज़ लिए थे ना, तो अभी क्या करना है? और 1500 रुपीज़ प्लस करके उसको क्या करना है? लौटाना है. ओके. सो मीन्स 3000 रुपीज़ क्या करना है? तुम्हें उसको देना है. ओके. यू मस्ट गिव रामचंद डबल द अमाउंट दैट यू हैड बोरोड फ्रॉम हिम. So children, Jwala Prasad returned the money to Ramchand and asked for forgiveness. Here children, you can see, so at the end of the story, what happened, children? Jwala Prasad returned the money to Ramchand and asked for forgiveness. Yes. So children, Jwala Prasad also returned the money. He owed Birbal for half a mud of ghee. And if such a dishonest man can still have an honest son Yes, so Birbal thought that children, yes, see, if such an honest man can still have an honest son, then God be praised, there is still hope for humanity. Humanity means what, children? Humanity means people in general, okay? People in general. So children, we have learned, yes, that I think Jwala Prasad would have learned his lesson. Yes, children, I think उसने ज्वाला प्रसाद ने क्या किया है, अपना जो सबक है वो सीख लिया है. यस, आई थिंक ज्वाला प्रसाद वुड हैव लर्न हिज लेसन. ही वुड हैव understood that Birbal could have given him very harsh punishment but had spared him. Yes, he would take this as another chance and improve his ways of doing business. Yes or no, children? If Birbal had punished him more harshly, then Jwala Prasad would not have changed. Yes, क्या बोलते हो बच्चों? Yes, if Birbal had punished him more harshly, then Jwala Prasad would not have changed. He would have become stubborn. Means वो और भी ज़िद्दी हो जाता, और भी क्या हो जाता, dishonest हो जाता. Yes. So if Birbal had punished him more harshly, then Jwala Prasad would not have changed. He would have become more stubborn and more dishonest. Yes. So children, this is a very beautiful story. Yes, so children, we have learned that how Birbal made Jwala Prasad to return what he borrowed from his friend. Yes, children, so the chapter is over. In the next class, we will discuss the question answers. Okay, so children, till then stay home. The next we will continue in our next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.